What's up and welcome to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a series of tips just to make your YouTube videos more successful. At the end of the day, YouTube videos, if they have more views, to me, that means more successful. So let's get our video started here today. If you want to know how to actually create a YouTube channel from scratch, like you don't have a YouTube Google account, you do not have any YouTube account, check out the link in the description for my other video that shows you how to actually make a YouTube account. But if you have an account already and you want to make your channel better, you're in the right place. So make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be constantly uploading videos all the time. So the first tip I have for you today to make your video more successful would be do a channel, make a video on something that you're passionate about. If you're a carpenter, you might want to make a video about building something or some kind of woodworking. If you're a hairstylist, you may want to make a video about some kind of hairstyle or some kind of aesthetic thing that you're passionate about. If you're a fisherman, you're probably not going to want to make a channel about knitting. It just doesn't make sense. So number one tip, make a video about something you're passionate about. Passion really matters when it comes to YouTube. Passion and hard work. You want to make videos about something you're passionate about, so you are still going to be excited to make those videos a year later, so your channel can really blossom into something extremely successful. When you're passionate about something, that means you have knowledge about it. And this knowledge is valuable to the YouTube community. You can provide knowledge video after video after video. The second tip I have for you today is provide value to the YouTube community. Talk about something that people want to know. Maybe they want to know how to do something. People want entertainment. If you have a gaming channel, show them secrets, show them new technology, really connect with your audience. Maybe people want to watch your video because you want to teach them how to play guitar. Or maybe they want to watch your video because you make them laugh. So tip number two, provide value in your videos. There's a reason why that person's coming to your video to watch your video, because they want to either know how to do something or they want entertainment. Those are the only two things. And the third tip I have for you is do a little bit of research and try and find a video that's trending in your category. You can use simple tools like Google search engine and YouTube search engine to help you narrow down what you could make a video about. And you could do simple things like how to and see what comes up on Google, and keep adding to your sentence how to and see what happens, see what comes up. Or YouTube, you can always use YouTube as well. And maybe they'll complete the sentence for you and give you great video ideas. And these are things that people are actually searching for on the internet. So if you make a video about something that people are actually searching for, your video has a much higher likelihood of actually getting noticed and you actually getting views. So let's say you had a gaming channel and you just want to think of a new video topic. So I let Google finish the question for me. How to get better at Fortnite. How to get better at chess. How to get better at Warzone. So I haven't even mentioned anything about gaming. So I already know that Fortnite and Warzone are two very popular topics. So those would be two great ideas right there. The fourth tip I have for you, which is arguably the most important, but I like to put the content first because the quality of the content has to be there and you have to provide value. But the fourth tip I have for you is you have to have an amazing thumbnail. The thumbnail is the picture that grabs the attention of the viewer. That's going to get them to click on it. The video has a title and has a description, but that thumbnail makes a visual connection with the viewer. And it's the easiest way to get that person's attention. So if you'd like to know more how to make a thumbnail, check out in the description below, and I'm going to show you how to make an amazing thumbnail. The fifth tip I have for you today is make sure your details on your video are correct. Make sure your title, your description, make sure your tags, and make sure everything else on your video is complete. Some people often put these things on the back burner. You know, making a YouTube channel does take a lot of time and does take a lot of effort, but don't forget to really try hard and really make a good quality title, good quality description, and really put all the tags in there and try hard on the little details, because these do matter and these do help your video get noticed when people are actually searching things on Google and YouTube. One last tip I have for you today is never give up when you're making a YouTube video. If your first video doesn't get the views that you want it to get, that's okay. Take a look at that, take a look at where you want to be, and continue to change. When you're making a new YouTube video after YouTube video after YouTube video, try and learn new ways to adapt and apply those new ways. And the second step is actually applying those learned improvements to the next video to actually make it better than the last one. So you're always trying to improve and always trying to get better and always trying to learn, and never give up, and you will get there. We're in this together, we're a community, we help support each other, and if you make great content, there's always gonna be someone there to watch it. You may wanna make a YouTube channel for several different reasons. One of the reasons being you wanna make some extra money. Or do you want to just do it for your own enjoyment to share it with your friends? These are two different things. One of the things is gonna take research, and it's gonna take hard work. And you're gonna have to really know the market. You're really gonna have to be an all-around boss of your own business. You're gonna have to do the research, and you're gonna have to apply everything you've learned to make the proper channel. Now, in conclusion, tips to remember. Number 1, do something you're passionate and have knowledge about. Number 2, provide value. Make the viewer feel like they're really spending their time wisely. Number 3, do research and make in-demand videos. Number 4, make a quality thumbnail. This might be even more important than the video itself. Number 5, the details, title, tags, and description. Don't underestimate these. And remember, never give up. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and put a big thumbs up on this video. Get ready for the video next week. We're gonna talk about some more exciting stuff. Until next time, this is the Review Kings signing out.